Hey guys, Lazy Developer is here, and today we're going to learn how to import your own character and your animations into Unreal Engine 4 perfectly. So you can see this is my own character I made for my project, and I have my own animations and I imported in Unreal Engine 4. When I first tried to do that, I there was there is a lot of things you have to do. So I'm gonna break everything into three parts because there is a lot of process. So first I use the Blender to create these characters. So I'm gonna break the lesson in three parts. In part 1 I'm going to create a character and we're going to add texture, and in the part 2 we are going to call something called armatures, which is like skeleton, and we're going to animate that character. And in part 3 we're going to import our character and the armature and all the animations into Unreal Engine 4, and we're going to create something called animation blueprint that's going to work like that, and the end result will look like this. You already saw this, like this. Okay, so let's get started. So this is just Blender 3D modeling software, and as you can see that's the first thing you see here. I'm going to delete these two first, we don't need that, and we're going to create a basic character. So I'm just going to start from this queue, and I'm going to use the shortcuts to do this. So first I'm going to break the box in half and like this, and now I'm going to go back to the object mode and go to this add modifier section, and I'm going to use the mirror tool. Now if you do something on this side, it's going to duplicate that on the other side of the y-axis. So that's exactly what we want. So, and also you can see on the bottom right corner, if I press something, you can see over there on the bottom right corner. Anyways, let's get started. So first you're going to click the clipping button. So when you move around, it's just doesn't separate the two parts. Anyways, so first we're going to create the body part of our character. Px. Okay. Like this. And I'm going to use Ctrl R to add more vertex so I can design my shape. Okay. Oh crap, I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button again. Okay, let's see how it looks like. It's look a bit bigger. Let me make it smaller. This is good enough. Now let's work on the leg part. And I'm going to create these edges because I'm going to delete these edges because we don't need them. Press X and delete edge. And now I'm going to select all the other edges like this and press F. Now it's just one face, not three face. Now press 3 and I'm going to use the extrude tool, and also make sure to uncheck the clipping box because now we don't need to keep them together since we are working on the leg part. I pressed the wrong button again. E, left click, S, scale it down, E, that's good, and press 3 on the side view, Control R, press 3 again, 3, oh boy, alright, E, this is the shoe. I don't really care, I'm just making a basic character. Okay. Alright. Let's work on the hand part. Press 3, press 1, like this. Now press 3, select these 4 faces, press 1, E to extrude, and scale it down a little bit, and then put it like that, extrude, E, S, E, E, S. Okay, so that's our basic hands. And now let's work on the head part. I'm going to do the same thing. First I'm going to delete these faces, like instead of 6 faces I want to have 1 face only. So I'm just going to delete edges. Oh no, that's bad. Make sure you're in the edge mode first, and then you select these edges. Yeah, like that. And now you select all the other edge, press F. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to first you have to press the extrude and then right click, and now you scale it down like this, and now you press G to move and in the X direction like this. This is good enough. Let me make it a little bit perfect. X. Okay. Now go back to the vertex mode and make it a little bit round. No, GY axis. Change. Okay. Shift Z. Oh no, this is bad. G Shift Z and G Shift Z. Hmm. Okay, that's good enough for me. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to go back to the face mode and press 1, extrude, and now, okay, it's bothering me, so I'm going to fix this because it doesn't look like a nice circle. So J, Y, now it's fine. That's much better. Okay, press 1 and now extrude, and make sure to toggle the clipping button, and now press S, scale it as big as possible, make it a little bit bigger, press extrude again, and now I'm going to close the head like this. Yeah, that's good enough. Oh, I forgot to save it. Yeah, make sure to create a file already. I'm going to call this tutorial character, name something. Anyways, I'm going to add eyes to this character because there is nothing here at the moment. It's just a head. One, two, three. This is the eyebrow. This section, and also press E. I pressed the wrong button. Z. Okay. And now we are going to add a mouth here. Yeah, make sure to make the mouth a little bit bigger because most of my characters don't have a big mouth. That's just my mistake. So I hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake. Anyways, that looks good enough. Alright, now we are going to add color. Right now it's just nothing. It's just all white. So to add color, I'm going to use a different method. You can use texture paint, but since I did not use the sculpting mode, that's why texture painting is not a good option for me. So I'm going to use another method. First I'm going to go to the shading tab, and I have a picture which looks like this. Let me show you. Here, this picture right here. You can make a picture like this where you can have all the color you want for the character and just drag them into the blender, and all you have to do is just plug this in the base color. Now you can see that there is a lot of different colors here. Now we are going to play with those colors. So go to the UV editing tab, and now you can see that you're in the edit mode, and when you select a group of vertex, here you can see that you can see those selected vertex here too. Now if you, as you can see, like there is a face, like a square of 4 vertex is a face. So you want to make sure that all face have the same color. Like let's, for example, I want this pant to have blue color. So when I select all like the whole area of the pant, and now I'm going to scale them a little bit, and I'm going to give them the blue color. And now when you press Z and go to the material preview, you can see that my pant section is now blue. Not all of it, we'll have to find out more. Let's see, where are those faces? It's right here on this corner. Okay, I want my shoes to have the black color, so you select all this face and give them the black color. Press 1. I want to have what shirt color? I don't know. Let's see. You can have these nice different colors, but let's see. I'm going to go with the orange color. And now for the skin color, let's see, 1, and I'm going to go with the brown color like this. Select everything, and here. And now let's work with the hair. Let's see, here, this section. Okay, my hair is going to be gray color. Okay, sounds good. And now let's change the color of the eyes and the mouth. So this is the eyebrow here. I'm going to give them the gray color as here. And now I'm going to select the eye section. Let's see, white, and the middle section of the eye is going to be, let's see, I'm going to keep it black, and mouth is red. Okay, cool. As you can see, like I'm working on this side, and the mirror tool is copying all of my work on the other side of the y-axis. Oops, my shoes is not completely white, I mean completely black. Let's fix that. Okay, so here is our character. I think we're done coloring our character. Looks pretty basic but acceptable. So that's it for today, guys. So this is going to be our part 1. I'm going to put a check mark because we are done with part 1. So in the next video we're going to learn how to add armature and also animate this character. We're going to have 3 types of animations: walking, idle, and jumping. That's for the next video. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.